Hi, this is part 2 of our short series about jazz voicings on free bass. In part 1 we worked on root and third, and today we'll add the seventh and expand the harmony of Bye Bye Blackbird. Let's start.
First, I play every chord with the root on the bottom, the third in the middle and the seventh on top. This is the basic 3-note position. Next, I play the first inversion. The third goes to the bottom, the seventh in the middle and the root on top. Then, the second inversion. The seventh on the bottom, the root in the middle and the third on top. Finally, I mix all three positions. For every new chord, I choose the inversion that gives me the shortest and most natural movement. In the right hand, I play the melody of Bye Bye Blackbird with small rhythmic variations and elements of improvisation.
Now we have full root third 7 control in the left hand. In part 3, we'll replace the root with the 9th and explore this new color in our voicings. All exercises are written down in the free PDF, link below. Don't forget to subscribe, enjoy your practice, and let me know how it goes.